With the dawn of each new day, DoDo once again embarks on its mission to delight people everywhere with the finest surimi-based seafood products. Over more than 4 decades, our passion for the fishball has transformed from a backyard operation into a major conglomerate. At DoDo, well-trained employees, leading-edge technology, and top-end equipment come together to offer products second to none. Achieving the AVA Food Safety Grade A award for the past 2 decades, it is testament to our manufacturing capabilities and assurance to our product quality. Every day, DoDo products are proudly distributed to retail outlets and business establishments island-wide, as well as international markets both near and far. Continuing a story of love for great taste and good quality that will live on in DoDo well into the future.